Hey there, welcome to the Creative Makers Tribe. My name is Doo. I'm the owner of Dodson Designs, and I'm a decorative furniture painter, probably just like you, so I know you're here because you're curious about what's inside the Makers Tribe. And just like you, I also had a part-time business painting furniture, but quickly I found that my passion grew and grew, and I loved it so much that I wanted to go to full-time. I started Dodson Designs 5 years ago just as a part-time business, just to bring a little extra money in. I am a nurse of 33 years, and last year I retired to take my business full-time and to take it online. Last year was a whirlwind for me. It was hard, it was difficult to connect the dots. I was in several coaching groups and I would have information given to me telling me what to do, but there was never anyone there to hold my hand. And when I say hold my hand, I mean help me connect the dots. Just kind of putting the information all together so that you understand how to implement it in your business. Shortly after the first of this year, I started receiving a ton of messages, a ton of emails asking me, how did you get your business to where it's at? How did you get online? What's your secret? I want to know. I want your help. It was then that I knew that was my calling. My calling was to help other decorative furniture painters find a way to monetize their business and work smarter and not harder. Okay, let's go over what's inside the Creative Makers Tribe, because I know you're dying to know and I'm dying to tell you. Once you get into the Creative Makers Tribe, at the first of the month, you will get a decorative painting finish of the month, as well as my library of all the finishes that I've created for you. And also during that month, the second week, you're gonna be getting a styling video. Styling videos to help give you tips how to style and decorate your furniture so that you get the maximum eyeballs online with your furniture. Throughout the month, every Friday is what I call Q&A Live Friday. I come on every Friday morning at 10 a.m. answering business questions and going over the success path that I've created for you, step by step, teaching you all the tricks of social media, what to do to connect the dots to get you online. And as an introductory bonus, you will get a coaching call, 30 minutes free with me, the first month that you're in the tribe, just so that we can lay out a plan for you in the guidelines and get you set up for success. I'm excited. I hope you consider joining the Creative Makers Tribe. And if you have any reservations whatsoever, please feel free to reach out to me. You can contact me anytime at donna@dodotsondesigns.com. Hope to see you soon.